Top 15 fruits that contain vitamin C and their benefits to the body. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is an important and much-needed compound for the body's metabolic processes. The function of vitamin C for the human body. Vitamin C functions in the formation of proteins, which are used to make skin, tendons, and ligaments. Forms blood vessels, which are useful for wound healing and scar tissue formation. Repairs and maintains bones, teeth, and cartilage. Helps the absorption of iron in the body. Helps protect cells and keep them healthy. Recommended vitamin C requirement according to age group. Children over 1 year old, 40–45 mg per day. Teen over 12 years old, 65–90 mg per day. Adults over 18 years old, 75–90 mg per day. Vitamin C is most commonly found in fruits. Here are the top 15 fruits that contain vitamin C. Summarized by the Tropical Plants Garden team. 15. Tomato. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 23 milligrams. 14. Mango. Amount vitamin C per 100 grams, 36.4 milligram. 13. Cantaloupe. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 36.7 milligram. 12. Pineapple. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 47.8 milligram. 11. Orange. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 53 milligrams. 10. Lemon. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 53 milligrams. 9. Strawberry. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 59 milligrams. 8. Papaya. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 61 milligrams. 7. Lychee. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 71.5 milligram. 6. Kiwi. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 93 milligrams. 5. Blackcurrant. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 181 milligrams. 4. Guava. Total vitamin C per 100 grams, 228.3 milligram. 3. Bell peppers. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 242.5 milligram. 2. Chili. Total vitamin C per 100 grams, 242.5 milligram. 1. Areca cherry. Amount of vitamin C per 100 grams, 1,667 milligrams.